This week in Quick Tip Tuesday, I want to talk about how we're going to fill up big gaps in wherever place you want to fill them up. Like on this roof, for example. Those big gaps, well, if you just fill them up with Bondo, well, first of all, the Bondo will sink in, and because of the shrinkage, if you're even able to hold it in there. So what you gonna do? Well, what I'm gonna do in this case, I first take old styrene pieces and just fill those gaps up. Put a lot of solvent in and let it sit at least for a day. The solvent basically melts the styrene, so be aware it can take up to two days until the styrene is completely formed again. Well, after that is done, you sand it down as smooth as you can, and then you go with your average procedure. You will take Bondo, but use more than you actually need because of the shrinkage. Then you're gonna sand it down, and in the end, of course, you're gonna paint it. But this was the tip of this week.